Hello everyone, I'm Ami from Zoomduel, and I'm delighted to introduce our core product tailored for high-end cultural tourism scenarios, the Zoomduel Space Capsule. Are you still troubled by the cumbersome process of traditional house construction or struggling to balance living quality, convenience, and environmental protection needs? With multiple core advantages, this product reshapes the high-end cultural tourism accommodation experience and offers a brand new choice for you who pursue a quality life. In terms of core quality, the space capsule adopts an advanced light steel structure, which is stable and durable, capable of coping with various complex weather conditions and providing long-term protection for residents. The product features a modular design, with all components prefabricated in the factory. After being transported to the site, it can be quickly assembled and formed, taking only about 2 weeks to complete the installation. Compared with the several months construction period of traditional house building, it significantly shortens the construction cycle, allowing you to avoid long waits. In the aspect of energy solutions, the space capsule integrates a solar power supply system, which efficiently utilizes clean energy to accurately meet residential energy needs. This design not only effectively reduces energy costs, but also deeply aligns with the concept of green environmental protection, realizing low-carbon living. While enjoying a comfortable life, you can fulfill your environmental responsibilities. Regarding transportation and services, we have built a global transportation network to truly achieve worldwide direct delivery. With just an inquiry call, we will provide door-to-door transportation services with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. This completely eliminates your worries about cross-border transportation matters, allowing you to easily own a high-quality space capsule. In terms of design, adhering to the high-end cultural tourism positioning, the space capsule abandons the one-size-fits-all standardized design and offers full detail customization services. A professional team of architects will conduct in-depth communication with you to fully meet your personalized needs, from spatial layout to finishing materials, creating an exclusive residence. The product adopts a modern and minimalist appearance, paired with large area glass and a landscape balcony, maximizing the introduction of natural light and outdoor scenery, achieving a seamless integration of nature and life, and creating an elegant living atmosphere. Sunbays during the day and stargaze at night bring the natural beauty directly into your home. No one will believe this is a prefabricated house when you post photos on social media. It also boasts both cost-effectiveness and environmental friendliness. The modular prefabrication model greatly saves material and labor costs, with transparent and reasonable pricing, allowing you to obtain a high-end living experience at a cost-effective price. Meanwhile, the product selects green and environmentally friendly building materials that meet high-end residential environmental standards, ensuring both living health and comfort without damaging the environment, and achieving a balance between quality, environmental protection, and cost-effectiveness. With more than 20 years of experience in the industry, Zoomduel operates in over 50 countries and has established a sound service system in collaboration with more than 300 partners. We provide one-stop services from preliminary design, production, and manufacturing to on-site construction and after-sales service. We can also assist customers in building exclusive prefabricated house factories, fully ensuring the progress of projects and safeguarding your high-end cultural tourism accommodation needs. Say goodbye to the many limitations of traditional house construction. Choose the Zoomduel Space Capsule and enjoy the high-end experience brought by superior quality, efficiency, and convenience, customized aesthetics, green environmental protection, and global direct delivery services. Consult now to start your journey towards an ideal high-end cultural tourism residence.